Hey guys, I just wanted to do a review of this Mastercraft belt sander. I bought it about a month or two ago now on sale, and it was $129. There's probably three things I would say I don't like about it, and then quite a few things I do like about it, I'll say. But so the first thing I don't like about it is that it comes with this cheap, thin piece of metal behind for the backing of the belt. I found it to be not straight at all. So when you're trying to flatten something out here, it's quite, it's just not straight. So to remedy this, I put a piece of 3/16 plate that's as wide as the belt here. I bolted that from the back side. And I did that on another video. I'll put the link in the description if you would like to see how I did that. But that really solved the problem of the backing plate that's kind of thin and not straight. Okay, the other thing I would say I don't like about it is when you have it laying down like this, it's quite solid, it's good. But if you want to tip it up in this mode, it locks down with this Allen key here, bolt. But when it's like this, I don't know how much you can see, but there's actually quite a bit of movement back and forth. So you can see there, it just rocks. And when the motor's running, it rocks quite a bit. So it doesn't stay straight when you have it tipped up like this. So I prefer it down like that. Stays solid, rests against this metal part here, and then it's much easier to use. Okay, the other negative thing I would say about it is the belt and the disc that come with it are actually kind of cheap. They don't last very long. This one, I haven't used it a whole lot, and it's really, it's 80 grit, comes with an 80 grit. And I don't know if you can see, but it's worn down a lot really quickly, I think. So you're gonna need to get another belt if you're using the belt quite a bit, and a few more sticky discs. They just don't last that long. Having said that, the things I do like about it is it does have a 4.3 amp motor, which is actually pretty powerful. I've ground some metal on here and really pushed down on it, and it really barely bogs it out, I would say. It's got quite a bit of power, and I like that about it. There's some comparables out there for a little bit more, and really you're only getting probably a 2 amp motor or 2.3, I think, at Princess Auto. So for the 4.3, which I think this one is, I would say for the price, it's pretty good. Another thing I like about it is this quick, you can take the belt off really quickly by just pulling this little lever. It works great. I've had no problems changing belts. It's slick. The tracking works great. It tracks back and forth really easily, fine adjustment. That's good. Tracks very well. This sander actually really, the disc part, really takes material down quite quickly. And the table is actually quite solid. It's pretty impressive. I like this. Once you square it up to the disc, it's actually really quite good. So I would recommend it. I think it's good for the sale price at $129.99. And overall, I think it's well worth the money. Okay, if you have any comments or questions, don't be afraid to put them down in the description. Okay, and like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. Thanks.